Hi everyone, on Windows 11, Night Light is a feature that helps you fall asleep more naturally and reduces eye strain when working long hours at night in front of your laptop or desktop. Night Light works by minimizing the amount of blue light emitted by the display, which mimics the light you receive naturally during the day, and it shows warmer colors to make it easier to fall asleep and reduce the chances of eye strain when using the computer late at night. In this video, you will learn the steps to enable the Night Light feature on your laptop or desktop running Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on System. Next, click the display page on the right side, and under the Brightness and Color section, turn on the Night Light toggle switch to enable the feature on Windows 11. Alternatively, click the Network and Volume button in the bottom right corner of the taskbar to open the Quick Settings flyout, Windows key +A, and click the Night Light button.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.